Hey everybody, it's Sunday. We're working on the Wolverine brush cutter again. If you watched my video, I did a little more damage to her yesterday. I did some patching to it Friday night late. I seen that these welds here were all busted. So I went ahead and welded those up. I had some more cracks here I missed. I went ahead and welded those up. But basically, I'm just adding more welds on this main beam structure that ties everything in. It's not really a poor design, I guess, but there is a lot of weight hanging out on there, and there's a lot of flex in this thing. And you know, you're up and down on the ground pushing stuff, and the kind of the contours of the ground when you're trying to get close, cutting brush and things like that, and bouncing with the terrain. Obviously these things aren't suspension, so it takes a lot of abuse. Not really abuse for me per se, even though I am pretty hard on this attachment for the most part. But yeah, we're just going to go in here and fill these corners up a little bit more. We're currently cutting some bracings for here to here. We're going to use some, we went ahead and used some 2-inch, 1/8-inch wall tube. We got the angles cut. We got another piece to cut. And basically we're going to weld them from here down to here. And then I'm going to cut some flat 1/8-inch plate out as a, like a triangle pyramid shape to fill that in, and then burn that in around that. So that should help with the flexing of the main beam and body of the brush hog to hopefully prevent this from happening anymore. This is actually where the blades were coming up in and hitting where this pan is flexing so much. These blades are actually spinning and hitting. So this was all busted loose. So I've welded that up. I'm going to weld some plates over those. There's 4 of them. This main beam here was all broke loose. So we're welding more support into there.
Thunderstorms in Oklahoma, wind sweeping down the plain, sand dunes up in Michigan, the rocky shores of Maine, Indiana hardwoods, a Midwest summer day, sunrise in the Florida Keys takes my breath away. Been a long time traveling, rolling on from town to town.